Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Halls of Torment game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the different and important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application you are seeing here. You will see the CPU or the memory on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol, so you just need to close all the background applications you are seeing on the top. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task. Now you will see the startup, then just click on the startup on the top. And guys, here you will see the application. So when you start your PC, these application start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or the RAM usage and causing your game crash. So you just need to make sure that you right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. So when these applications are running and your game is also running, your game crash obviously. Now the next important setting that you need to apply is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows side, type here the privacy. It will appear on the top. So open it. Now here on the left hand side you will see the background app. Just scroll down, just click on the background apps. Here just need to make sure that this is off, because these are also the applications that are useless and consuming a lot of RAM or CPU, causing a game crash. Now the next important setting is the system configuration settings. So go to the Windows set tab, the system configurations, open it. Now you will see the boot on the top, click on that, then just click on the advanced options. Now once you click on that, now just check this box on the number of processes, then just select hit the maximum number of processes you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then just select it. Now this will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK. Then after that you will see the services on the top. You can also apply the changes, then just click on the services. Then here just check this box of the hide all microservices. Here you will see the services that are useless and consuming a lot of CPU or the RAM and causing your game crash. Then just disable all, then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game and your any kind of crashing problem fixed with the solution in the Halls of Torment game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye and take care.